Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and today I am going to share with you the awesome items that are super duper packed in this little boxy here, and it is all things that I scored from the Poshmark app. And now, unfortunately, because I'm in Canada, I can't do a lot of thrifting online anymore. When I was in Germany, I thrifted online all the time and got amazing deals. The only reason I got this box full of stuff is because it was from one seller. I could bundle everything and create a really reasonable and affordable price for myself. So that was fantastic, and thank you so much to that seller. Now, I also scroll on Poshmark quite a bit because they have relatively reasonable shipping costs as far as Canadian shipping goes. I don't know where you are in the world, but Canada has some of the highest shipping costs anywhere, but that's like just within Canada. It is actually cheaper to send things abroad from Canada than it is to send things within Canada, which is absolutely insane, but it's a sad but true fact. I even actually wrote an article about this a little while ago on my blog because I was so shocked at how expensive the post prices were here compared to Europe and elsewhere that I lived in the world. Anyway, long story, hopefully so much shorter. I have a Poshmark shop, of course I do. So that will be linked down below for you, but I think it is about time to open up and style and see and sort through the, I believe, 11 items that I got for around $2 to $3 each. So wonderful thrift score in this box. So clearly I have already removed the tape from this box, and if I let it go, it's just going to pop open because it's super duper overstuffed. There you go. And this kind of leads me to my first tip here. And if you are packing stuff that you've sold or just packages in general, try not to overstuff if it's possible. I realize not everybody, has loads of boxes lying around. And I really do appreciate the fact that everything seems to be folded and nice and there's no terrible smell coming out of here, which is a bonus. If you missed my video from a couple of years ago, which was the most horrific unboxing ever, I'll link it down below for you because it was terrible. Just go watch it. It is absolutely hilariously terrible. Anyway, so here is my tip. If you find that you're really having to push stuff down like this, please always make sure that you put a flyer or some plastic or something over the top here, because when people, like this just had tape over here. So the tape was literally on the bag that is here, which isn't great as well. But sometimes, you're opening a package, you use your X-Acto knife or your scissors and you just run it through the tape here. And if I would have done that, I totally would have cut through this bag. So it's always a very good idea to just put, we all get those flyers in the mailbox and everything. Just hold on to a few of them and then you can just lay them on top. And not only does it then protect this first layer here, but it also, then you're not putting tape on the fabric here because this doesn't close all the way because it's overstuffed. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. If you want to find all of my top tips for selling online and packaging up your stuff and everything, I will put the link to my $9 mini course that goes through all of that, including how to photograph it, write descriptions. It's all in there and it'll be linked down below for you. But let's get to this box now. And I'm just going to see, can I move my camera up? Yes. So first, look at this adorable corduroy bag I got. And I really do think this is still totally brand new, which is absolutely fantastic. And it has a zipper, which is always a plus. I really do not like bags that do not close all the way on the top, or they just have, like a little snap here. Zippers are always good, and it's very roomy and pocket. So fantastic. These I was very excited to get, and I really do hope they fit me. Here, just a pair of very, very plain and simple green painter's pants, I think these are called, simply because they have this loop here where, you know, you put a tool or something, but they are super duper cool. What do we have next is, oh, this fantastic sheer polka dot mini dress, and I am very excited to style this up because it's just going to be super adorable, I think, and it has puff sleeves, which I love. This here, I got this for my kiddo because it is quite hilarious, and I don't know, I hope she likes it. Next, this absolutely stunning vintage blouse, and it's not a pussy bow collar here, the tie neck collar. It's this, I just thought this looked so cool in the picture. It's just like, you know, you just kind of put it through like that, and I just think that looks so super cool. And of course we need to do vintage tag appreciation. And there it is, JMS Fashion International. Oh, I'm sorry, Le Mode. Very cool. And for sure, this is a 1980s special office lady type of blouse. I'm going to save that because these are my favorite thing I got. Just a very, very, whoops, sorry, I'm knocking the camera. Very, very cute cropped sweater. And these colors are just so bright and cheerful and will be wonderful for the colder weather, especially when it's a dark and gloomy day. What else do we have here? Oh, a very quirky little t-shirt with a magnificent pattern on it. Very lovely ladies who lunch type of pattern. I don't know what I'm talking about. Like I said, I'm saving that for later. What do we have here? Oh, this I got specifically because in my Refashioning 101 book, I believe, I shared a tutorial for how to actually create your own open elbow sweater. And I never bought this for myself. I actually saw them and then I made that tutorial specifically because I was like, that looks too easy to do. But this was so super cheap and I love the color. So I thought, you know what, let's just have a quirky little open elbow top for ourselves. And so I got it for myself, not ourselves. There's only one of me. And a lovely cropped turtleneck sweater that I think will be wonderful for chilly, chilly days, which are actually almost here, I think, as well as layering. I've really started layering stuff, I think, again, because it's fall, but how cool is that going to look over top of like a maxi dress or something? Just perfect. And clearly this is not for this season, but this absolutely a fabulous vintage terry cloth romper. How totally 1970s, early 1980s is that? Absolutely wonderful for next summer, I think. And the best for last, very just, you know, a pair of adorable rainbow shorts, but it's what's on the back that I think is a sentiment we can all agree with. La 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 la. How magnificent is this outfit? And it was so easy to put together, and it means that I am taking a summer dress through to the fall with me. And I can also throw on my super cozy winter tights underneath this, and then I can wear this outfit through the winter as well. So when I say just look in your own closet to see what you have, I truly, truly mean it. You know, go shopping in your own closet. That's what I did. I thrifted this sweater and then I thought, what am I going to wear it with? Like when I was thinking about styling this, and then I thought, you know what? Maxi dress. I could have just thrown on jeans or like high-waisted trousers or whatever, but this fab floral summer maxi dress, the greens in this are absolutely the same green as this, so couldn't be better. And if you're not really sure how to go shopping in your own closet or how to style yourself or how to find your favorite styles, I'm here to help, right? As always. And you can book a virtual style session with me. I will put the link down below for you. And if you don't want to do that, you can just grab my 4-step wardrobe audit. And I also have a mini course all about how to sort through your closet. So I'll put all those links down below for you. Check them all out. And I hope to be chatting with you live soon. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. I don't know, should I retire that? I don't know. There's like a really cute segment of a video from more than a few years ago. I will play that now for you because it's just so adorable, and it's one of the reasons I do continue to say, catch ya on the zigzag. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.